I am going to be replanting this orchid, same pot but with better quality soil. The dirt I have in there dries out a little too fast for it and it's not doing great, so I need to perk it up a little. So the first thing I'm going to do is just pluck this plant right out. And empty this. I had some sphagnum moss in there a little bit, I didn't realize. So I'm just gonna keep that. I'm gonna dump all this dirt in here. Probably shouldn't bang it too hard since it's glass. So there is one tiny drainage hole right here that we drilled in, and I am going to use, I'm not a big fan of Miracle-Gro, but it's orchid potting mix, and it's the only orchid mix they had, so that is the one I'm going to be using. Line the bottom of this stuff. I'm gonna make a big mess, but that's okay. I'm just gonna set this guy in here. And then wrap this sphagnum moss around it a little bit. And then put more dirt in here. I'm just going to pack it down lightly. Maybe a tiny bit more dirt at the front here. Okay, this should help make this plant a lot healthier. And I have made a huge mess. All right, I think that is going to do the trick. So when this plant does flower again, it does put the big long stem. I'm not sure if this plant is too small still, but eventually the stem should just come, I'll be able to put it right out the top, and I think that would look really neat. So I'm just gonna put this plant back in its home. So the orchid's back in its home. I'm just gonna give it a little water. I'm not gonna fertilize it. I just changed the dirt. It shouldn't need any. That should be enough, and we'll see how it does.